to protect other people from COVID, I'm wearing a mask and I'm maintaining social distancing from students and other staff members. It's really important to follow the rules around campus to make sure that we're all safe, that no one else gets sick. We want everyone to feel like comfortable and confident that they can come to college and learn and not feel like too anxious that they're going to get poorly. So if everyone's following the rules, no one else is going to get sick. As someone who would sort of sit by themselves at home anyway, I'm maintaining that practice. I'm also, I'm following the rules in shops, like I'm sort of keeping social distancing from other people, queuing outside wearing a mask too, following one-way systems, wearing a mask. So just following all the rules.